In my earlier video lecture, we started to discuss about revision of Unit 3rd. In that, we discuss two concepts, that is Startup Accelerator and Student Sandbox. Now, in this video lecture, we discuss the crowdfunding concept. Student crowdfunding is the practice of funding a project or venture by raising small amounts of money from a large number of people, typically via the internet. Crowdfunding is a form of crowdsourcing and alternative finance. Although similar concept can also be executed through mail order subscriptions, benefit events and other methods, the term crowdfunding refers to internet mediated registries. This modern crowdfunding model is generally based on three types of actors. Okay, the project initiator who proposes the idea or project to be funded, individuals or groups who support the idea, and a moderating organization, that is a platform that brings the parties together to launch the idea. Crowdfunding has been used to fund a wide range of profit. Entrepreneurial ventures such as artistic and creative projects, then medical expenses, travel, or community oriented social entrepreneurship projects. Crowdfunding is the use of small amounts of capital from a large number of individuals to finance a new business venture. Crowdfunding makes use of the easy accessibility of vast networks of people through social media and crowdfunding websites to bring investors and entrepreneurs together, and has the potential to increase entrepreneurship by expanding the pool of investors from whom funds can be raised beyond the traditional circle of owners, relatives and वेंचर कैपिटलिस्ट. ओके, जे जुने मतलब जो पुराना जो ट्रेडिशनल सर्कल था, मतलब कहाँ से एक खुद का फंड रेज कर सकते हैं, रिलेटिव से फंड रेज कर सकते हैं, नहीं तो वेंचर कैपिटलिस्ट से फंड्स रेज करते हैं. ये जो पुराने ट्रेडिशनल सर्कल है, उन सर्कल से बाहर निकल के क्लाउड फंडिंग जो है एक स्मॉल अमाउंट होती है कैपिटल रेज करने के लिए फ्रॉम अ लार्ज नंबर ऑफ इंडिविजुअल्स. ओके, जो फाइनेंस करते हैं हमारे न्यू बिजनेस को. ओके, सो क्राउड फंडिंग मेक्स यूज ऑफ ईजी एक्सेसिबिलिटी ऑफ वास्ट नेटवर्क ऑफ पीपल थ्रू सोशल मीडिया. कहाँ से करते हैं ये क्राउड फंडिंग का मतलब कंसेप्ट जो है थ्रू मीडिया से आया है ये. ओके, सो सोशल मीडिया, देन क्राउड फंडिंग वेबसाइट्स हैं उनकी to bring investors and entrepreneurs together. Okay, and has the potential to increase entrepreneurship by expanding the pool of investors from whom the funds can be raised. Okay, so ये क्राउड फंडिंग का बेसिक है, जहाँ से मतलब कम पड़ता है हमको कि हम खुद का फंड रेज करें. अगर कोई रिलेटिव है उनसे फंड ले, फिर भी जो मतलब फंड है वो और चाहिए होता है, तो हम ये कहाँ से ले सकते हैं? थ्रू सोशल मीडिया या क्राउड फंडिंग वेबसाइट से. ओके, स्मॉल अमाउंट ऑफ कैपिटल फ्रॉम अ लार्ज नंबर ऑफ इंडिविजुअल्स. ओके, in the United States, crowdfunding is restricted by regulations on who is allowed to fund a new business and how much they are allowed to contribute. Okay, यूएस में ये restricted है कितने अमाउंट तक वो इन्वेस्ट करना है क्राउड फंडिंग के थ्रू बिजनेस वेंचर में. ओके, सिमिलर टू रिस्ट्रिक्शंस ऑन hedge fund investing, these regulations are supposed to protect unsophisticated or non-wealthy investor, okay, from putting too much of their savings at risk, because so many new businesses fails. Their investors face a high risk of losing their principal. ओके तो इसके वजह से क्राउड फंडिंग जो है वो रिस्ट्रिक्ट की है यूनाइटेड स्टेट में. क्राउड फंडिंग हैज़ क्रिएटेड द अपॉर्चुनिटी फॉर एंटरप्रेन्योर्स टू रेज hundreds of thousands of millions of dollars from anyone with money to invest. Crowdfunding provides a forum to anyone with an idea to pitch it in front of waiting investors. One of the more amusing projects to receive funding was from an individual who wanted to create a new potato salad recipe. ओके इसमें सबसे ज़्यादा फंडिंग की है. हिज फंड एक एग्जांपल है ये. हिज फंड रेजिंग गोल वॉज $10, बट ही रेज्ड मोर $55 from 6,911 packets bakers. Okay, investors can select from hundreds of projects and invest as $10. Crowdfunding sites generate revenue from a percentage of the fund raised. Okay, so एक क्राउड फंडिंग है, इसके वजह से हम ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा अमाउंट रेज कर सकते हैं थ्रू सोशल मीडिया. ओके सो इसके बेनिफिट क्या क्या है वो हम देखेंगे. फ्रॉम द टैपिंग इनटू अ वाइडर इन्वेस्टर पूल टू एंजॉइंग मोर फ्लेक्सिबल फंड रेजिंग ऑप्शंस, there are a number of benefits to crowdfunding over traditional methods. Okay, so first benefit is by using a crowdfunding platform like Fundable, you have the access of thousands of accredited investors who can see, who can interact with and share your fundraising campaign. Okay, second one, by creating a crowdfunding campaign, you go through the invaluable process of looking at your business from the top level, its history, traction, offerings, addressable market, value proposition, and more, and boiling it down into a polished, easily digestible package. Okay, so presentation भी अच्छा होता है, ये benefit है. Then from launch to close, you can share and promote your campaign through social media, email, newsletters, and other online marketing tactics. As you and other media outlets cover the progress of your fundraise, you can double down by steering traffic to your website and other company resources. ओके मतलब मार्केटिंग जो है ये भी अच्छी होती है क्राउड फंडिंग की वजह से, ये बेनिफिट है. नेक्स्ट बेनिफिट है प्रेजेंटिंग योर कंसेप्ट और बिजनेस टू द मासेस affords an excellent opportunity to validate and refine your offering. As potential investors begin to express interest and ask questions, you will quickly see if there's something missing that would make them more likely to buy in. मतलब कंसेप्ट है उसमें वैलिडेशन की कि बाबा ये पोटेंशियल इन्वेस्टर है, ये इन्वेस्ट कर सकता है, तो दिक्कत नहीं है. ओके सो ये बेनिफिट है. एंड लास्टली एफिशिएंसी. वन ऑफ द बेस्ट थिंग्स that online crowdfunding is its ability to centralize and streamline your fundraising efforts. By building a single comprehensive profile to which you can funnel all your prospects and potential investors, you eliminate the need to pursue each of them individually. So instead of duplicating efforts by printing documents, compiling binders, and manually updating each one when there is an update, you can present everything online in a much more accessible format, leaving you with more time to run your business instead of fundraising. Okay, so ये बहुत ज़्यादा efficient है एफिशिएंसी है, ये बेनिफिट मिलता है क्राउड फंडिंग से. ओके, देन यू कैन सी द टाइप्स ऑफ क्राउड फंडिंग. फर्स्ट टाइप है डोनेशन बेस्ड क्राउड फंडिंग. Okay, donation based crowdfunding is exactly what you might think. It is a type of funding campaign where the person or company running the campaign is not expected to give anything in return to the contributing person. In a donation based crowdfunding campaign, the contributing person, okay, मतलब crowd में से लेना है हमको, give money or other resources to the person or entity running the campaign simply because they want to support the idea or cause. In my party, for example, these would be the people who give me money for party suppliers, even though they will not able to make the party. Okay, um, these types of crowdfunding campaign work well for fostering social causes, community projects और charities. Okay, so donation based crowdfunding ये हो सकता है क्राउड में से कोई तो कंट्रीब्यूट करता है एक आध पर्सन कि जो कोई कैंपेन कर रहा है, ओके, सोशल कॉजेस के लिए या कम्युनिटी प्रोजेक्ट्स के लिए. सो ये एक टाइप है क्राउड फंडिंग का. सेकेंड है रिवार्ड्स बेस्ड क्राउड फंडिंग. ओके, सो रिवार्ड बेस्ड क्राउड फंडिंग डिस्क्राइब अ फंडिंग कैंपेन where the individual contributing money can expect to receive varying levels of rewards that correspond to the amount of money they contribute. Typically, the word reward is a product or service that the particular company running the campaign products or provides, and there are at least three levels of reward based on the level contribution. Okay, for example, these would be people who give me money for party suppliers because they want the reward of coming to my party. Okay, so इसे कहते हैं रिवार्ड बेस्ड क्राउड फंडिंग. Okay, so reward based crowdfunding campaign tend to work particularly well for consumer goods and other tangible products. Okay, third type है debt based crowdfunding. Debt In a debt-based crowdfunding campaign, the person or company running the campaign is essentially looking to borrow money from multiple people. In return, the individuals agreeing to lend money to the company receive the person's company's binding commitment to repay the amount at set time intervals and at a set interest rate. Put simply, the people are giving money to the person or company in exchange for a big amount. For example, these are people I invite who want to just give me money for party supplies, but say they would be happy to lend it to me if I agree to pay it back with interest. Okay, so debt-based crowdfunding campaigns are particularly popular with entrepreneurs who don't want to give up equity in their startup companies immediately and do not have access to more traditional type of loan facilities. They are also growing in popularity as a way of real estate developer to fund a particular real estate projects. Okay, so these called as डेप्थ बेस्ड क्राउड फंडिंग. नेक्स्ट जो टाइप है वो है इक्विटी बेस्ड क्राउड फंडिंग. ओके, इक्विटी बेस्ड क्राउड फंडिंग campaign, a person contributing money can expect to receive some ownership in the company which is raising the funds. Put another way, the company running the campaign is selling off a piece of its ownership, for example shares, membership interest, etc., to each of the crowd member, okay, contributing money. Assuming the company does well, the contributing crowd members may realize a return on their investment by receiving a share of the profits in the form of a dividend distribution, etc. Okay, so equity crowdfunding in the US has been on the rise ever since the passing of the Jumpstart, our business startups. Okay, Act in April 2 of 2012 and is expected to be one of the biggest source of funding for startups and small businesses in the near future. That being said, current legal and regulatory restrictions make this type of funding campaign the most complex and costly to facilitate. So equity based crowdfunding campaign are being used more and more by entrepreneurs and startups by seeking an alternative to traditional venture capital and angel investors when looking for a capital infusion to take their business the next level. Okay, so student, I hope now you get better understand the concept of crowdfunding. Okay, see you soon in my next video lecture. Till then, take care. Thank you.